For Diana Ochoa, Nuris Torre, and mi persona, Diana Vallejo. The psychology interview. The psychology interview is one based on the relationship between two or more people, where one of the member the psychology asks questions in order to obtain information. Tend to the closer and proximity of to face, there the psychology interview allows the patient finds a greater confidence to express himself and herself. With the therapist, it is a technique widely used because of its the great effectiveness it obtains. Complementary information, history, body, posture, expression, through which the patient's behavior can be analyzed. The main objective pursued with the interview is to make a diagnostic about the person, but there are other areas where it can be used. Job selection, explanation, behavior, treatment, assessment. Estructura. In the term of structure, interview can be structured or semi-structured. The first group refers to those in which the therapist has previously prepared the question to be asked during the session. In the second group, focuses on obtain quality data. The psychology allows the patient to stop or expand on to choose points he or she considers the most important alternative the order of the question. Number the person. Depending on the number the person of people, interview can be classified individual, therapist, and patient. Of group interview with the aim of obtaining quality data by observing the interaction that occur between people. Thank you.
Initial phases. Initial phases of the clinical intervention is when the intervention occurs intended phase to phase, with the intervention goods with the objective of the gathering information about the patient client's condition and problems. Intermediate phases. By or intermediate phases is the understood of the intervention install phase, where the different thematic areas to which we come to address are the address. Final phase. The final phase of intervention called closure. The activities involved are the final phase of the intervention called the closure. The activity involved communication. The word intervenes is about to and to thank you for the collaboration and the attention. Him act is there anything else you wish to communicate, presenting a summary of the content covered.
The psychological interview is considered beyond has meant to obtain significant data that help use the diagnosis and treatment, decision the emotions and feelings that very human relationship contain, such as that the person feel overwhelmed or frustrated by a situation that is being presented to you in your life or in your daily life, without taking the instrumental role of CE. We interview, in effect, to get something, even if this something, and sometimes simple and communications. That intervene itself can and should be a learning object to improve our profile for society, and the most important thing is that know the importance and meaning of consultation, that talking about eating of concern is not bad and feeling relief is better and feeling of loneliness, it is always very valuable for our life and in how we want it to be healthy and calm. That why the psychological intervene is a widely used technique due to its great efficiency when it's come to obtaining complementary information. Gesture, body, postures, expressions, through which the patient's behaviors can be analyzed and help in some way not to feel confused. With a psychologist, you can start your thought, though unlimited belief. It will help you change harmful behavior and acquire new habits and decisions. You will improve your self-esteem. In therapy, you will work on fruits in yourself, and you will treat the factor that may be